If you ride MT-07 or honestly any motorcycle, this is how you replace hand grips step by step. And these hand grips gotta go. Look at it. And this side, no bueno. For this job, I'm gonna use Domino A450 racing grips, some gloves, towel, Allen wrench, utility knife, and some rubbing alcohol. The right side is soft, it's got bigger diameter compared to the left side. This one's tough. That's it for this video. I love how these Domino blue racing grips look on my bike. It matches perfectly the color of this bike, and that's exactly what I was looking for. So great job, Domino. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, smash that like, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell to receive notifications anytime I release new videos. And that's done weekly, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.